much problem selecting between two characters in the last 2 episodes.
I'm winning. You can't fight with my mom.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at your face.
Hi, I'm Anusha.
Hey, I'm Akshay.
Hi, this is Amrita.
We love films.
We love talking about films.
And we love fighting about films.
So welcome.
To the great.
Filmy Tamasha.
So guys, since I won last time, I got to pick the topic, and I have picked the topic, the most lovable Bollywood hero. You got to pick a character from the movie you think is most lovable. ठीक है? So I'm gonna go first. So you know there are some characters which stays back with you even after the film is over. They come back with you home. They're in your heart. They're in your mind. They're in your all emotions. You just cannot, let them go. One such character, one of the few such characters is my character, which is Ranchor Jas Shamal Das Chanchar, aka Phungsuk Wangdu, aka Rancho. Okay, he is such a, someone who goes by his own ideas, so someone who follows his own rules, who doesn't want to go with the rest of the society, makes you feel very nice. He's inspirational. He is very motivating. And one of the guys जिसके नाम सुनते ही सबको लगे all is well. Isn't it a beautiful thought to be associated with the name? That is Rancho.
Yay!
Yeah. Love Rancho. Yeah.
Okay. So, competing from Team Akshay is Sunil, the protagonist of Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, a romantic film about a boy who never gets the girl. Ironically played by Shah Rukh Khan, who has embodied the whole, Hindi film romantic hero persona. He's the guy who gets everybody else's girl. But this is Shah Rukh Khan before he became Shah Rukh Khan.
True.
And he has performed this character to the best of his ability. He might have not won the love of Anna in the film, but he won the hearts of the entire nation. And over the next 30 minutes, I will prove it to you why he is the most lovable Bollywood hero.
Yay!
Talia. Okay, so my opening is going to be a little bit strange because मैं start करने वाली हूँ with a definition. So I'm going to start with a definition of lovable. Because when you hear lovable, you think, chulbula, pyara sa hero. But what lovable means is someone who's easy to love. Right? And in that vein, I think one of the most easiest heroes to love that Hindi cinema has crafted is Jay from the very iconic Sholay. Jay was a hero very much ahead of his times. And why that was, वो हम आगे debate में बताएंगे, अभी नहीं. So that's it from me, and let's carry on.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So I am going to tell why Rancho is the best character. Okay. एक तो बहती हवा सा था. He's a breath of fresh air. Right, perfectly written for him. And the way he looks at things is so different. It's so innovative. Ki you get actually very inspired by him. Ki you will not look at anything the way he's seeing, like education system. हम सब लोग पढ़ते हैं क्योंकि हमको grades चाहिए, but वो पढ़ता है क्योंकि उसको पढ़ना है. He thinks that you score well if you really are interested to study well. So that is one thing which is very nice, and because of his entire thought process about education, everybody, actually the whole nation after the release of the film started questioning the education system of India. He also made a lot of parents sit back and think about their decision कि बेटा या बेटी इंजीनियर ही बनी या बनेगी, क्योंकि वही तो लाइफ है उसकी, बियॉन्ड तो कुछ है ही नहीं. He made them sit back and think कि हाँ यार ये भी हो सकता है. Also, he gave few amazing examples of, it is a very simple example when he talks about Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar. He said कि इनको अपने expertise के बाहर कहीं पे रखा होता तो they would have been miserable and we would have never gotten Sachin Tendulkar or Lata Mangeshkar. It's a very simple example, but it just hits you while watching. I think it is one of the brilliant characterization कि he is actually able to ignite such emotion in you. But he's not just preachy. He's a naughty guy. He's the naughtiest person you see in campus. He wants to have fun with his friends. He has that no joke with everyone. He also irritates your lecturers to the extent that they start taking blood pressure pills. But he's an adorable guy. And as a friend, what a friend. Like he is always there for you, and he's also push you to do your best when time comes. Like he'll stand by you. He'll be always there for you. Your parents are against you, everyone is against you. You will not follow your own passion because your parents are not letting you do it, but he will be there for you. I think he's one of the person who you'll see and you're like, yeah, I want him in my life. He's so inspiring, he's so sweet, he's so lovable, and also when it comes to his love life, he's so naive. He thinks naak beech mein aa jayega. Like I really want to go and tell ki nahi aayega. Why don't you do it and see? He's an adorable person who is motivational, who is inspiring, and a lovely, lovely person to hang out with. So that's my debate for Raj.
सुनील, वो तो है अलबेला हजारों में अकेला.
Copycat.
I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming.
अरे उसको गाना डेडिकेट किया.
Yes, yes.
So Sunil is not a hero. He is definitely not your typical hero. He is not the alpha of his gang. In fact, he is the complete opposite. वो झूठ बोलता है, cheating करता है, बहुत नोक-झोंक करता है. He tries his best to make things go his way. They never do. He is the kind of character who is always between a rock and a hard place. Things never seem to work out. That is Sunil's life in a nutshell. But through his journey, he grows a lot as a person. He learns that a small lie to obtain Anna today, will cost him her friendship for the entirety of his life. He tries to cheat his parents to convince them कि यार वो exam में pass हो गया है. But his heart is so innocent and so pure कि उसे वो guilt बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. वो इतने सारे लोगों के सामने आके confess करता है. Your heart just reaches out to somebody like that. Through the course of the film, he reaches a point where he actually manages to get Anna to agree to marry him. She wants to marry him. She agrees to it. And this is all he's been ever wanting in life. And then he gets to know that she's still in love with Chris and Chris is open to leaving his parents. And he gives up his love life for that. Despite knowing how hard it's going to be. The climax of the film is in a church, it's in a wedding. It's exactly like how he had been dreaming about it. Only he is not the groom, Chris is the groom. And Chris के हाथ से वो अंगूठी गिर जाती है. It's even that moment happens to him in real life. And he sees the अंगूठी fall, tap, 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 tap. Everybody is looking for the अंगूठी. He sees it. He looks at it but he does not pick it up. Hoping कि वो नहीं उठाएगा तो शायद कोई और नहीं उठाएगा. शायद उसका सपना वापस सच हो जाएगा. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता. At that moment, your heart just reaches out to him. How can you not, adore a guy who's going through so much, and yet every time stands back up and keeps walking forward? Sunil is not a hero. In fact, Sunil is one of us, the most lovable guy in Hindi films.
Nice.
So he's saying we are lovable. He's saying we are lovable. That's why he's lovable.
We are lovable because we are.
Do you disagree? Are you not?
No,
lovable?
I am the super duper lovable.
What?
But I am most lovable. Okay, that is another debate for some other time.
So it's my turn now, and what I would like to say about Jay is that Jay is one of the best written heroes of Hindi cinema. Generally हम लोग के यहाँ क्या होता है कि heroes बहुत one tone monotonic हो जाते हैं. तो brave, righteous, maybe a little playful, but that's about it. बाकी सारे रंग पूरा supporting cast भरता है. But in Jay's case, he was just so well written, a triumph of the writers, कि तुम शुरुआत से अंत तक जय को जान नहीं पाते हो. You are discovering Jay as the film progresses. Jay क्या था? that you realize at the end of the movie वो क्या करना चाहता था. Was he a hero? Was he an anti-hero? He doesn't fit into labels. He starts out maybe being close to the anti-hero, then in the end you realize he was the hero all along, right? So it was a very different hero for its time, very ahead of its time. Also, Jay is, I feel, very and surface पे ये लोग बहुत different लगते हैं, but Jay is very similar to Rancho in certain things. You know, and both of them are very very similar in the senses that both are carrying huge secrets which none of their closest friends even know. Like a huge, not huge secret, but a big part of their personality is hidden away. Right, despite the closeness of friendship until the later half of the film. And both दोनों उस टाइप के दोस्त हैं जो एक दूसरे की मतलब अपने दोस्त पे जान छिड़कने वाले, कुछ भी करने वाले. Right, friendship day just passed by. We should have done this then, but yeah, that's about it.
Next year.
Yes,
Next year.
this yeah, because both these films would fit into that bracket. So that's there about Jay. One of the things about Jay is जो कि writing के through बहुत ही अच्छे से दिखाया गया है is how intelligent a hero he is. Because उससे पहले लोग hero की intelligence पे focus नहीं करते, which is so funny if you ask me. But Jay के humor के through, उसके witty one-liners के through, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती?
Yeah.
You know, और उस सब के थ्रू उसकी इंटेलिजेंस दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है. Even the one where you know he's literally controlling the entire story through his coin tosses, right? A very very intelligent hero. जब ठाकुर उनसे बोलता है कि गब्बर मुझे जिंदा चाहिए, he is the one who asks the question कि कुछ जाति दुश्मनी है क्या जिंदा क्यों चाहिए? Right? Yeah. So he is. What I really like about Jay is he's a very very intelligent hero, but he's never a Superman. He's very flawed. He's a petty criminal. कभी भी इस बात से मोड़ने की कोशिश नहीं की है कि he's not a criminal. Unlike दीवार और अमर अकबर, एंटनी कहीं उसके क्रिमिनल पास्ट को जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश नहीं की कि उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ इसलिए वो क्रिमिनल बन गया. He's a criminal. वो ठाकुर को भी लूट के निकल जाता. But the thing about Jay's character is that he's very human, very capable of growth and change and learning. And by the end of the film, he's grown from a petty criminal to a champion of the village. And that's why I love Jay. I think he's one of our most iconic and most lovable heroes.
Cool. Good.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to say why my Rancho is better than your Sunil and your Jay. See, okay, Sunil as a person did not really make any impact on anybody else's life. Okay, he was just doing what he feels is right, what he should be doing, and what he thinks will work in his favor. So he's not inspiring, he's not motivating, he's not doing anything for anyone else, for his friends, for his family, anything. That is how his character is portrayed. But Rancho is not like that. Rancho is actually trying to really make other people's life more nice, happier.
So I think that the bit where you said that he is not impacting anybody's life is not true, because he actually impacted how his life, Anna's life and Chris's life would play out when he let go of Anna, who's the most important thing to him in the world.
Yeah, but that is not same
Also,
as
he's an
inspiring them
artist.
or something. He's not motivating them to.
That is not his character. That's not who he is.
Yeah,
That is
but
not,
my character
the ability
is
of
so.
his character. Anyway, yeah, okay, good for your character.
Yeah, of
I'm just saying he had the power to impact people around him. Okay.
The next point
Next.
is he comes across as a harmless guy. He is. But sometimes his actions are such that if it was implemented at that time, then it would have ruined so many people's life. He did try to split Anna from Chris. Okay. उस फिल्म में दिखाया है कि वो नहीं हुआ, but his intention was completely there to split them. अगर उस टाइम पे वो हो गया होता, तो that would have negatively affected everybody's life around him. Eventually उसने सीखा वीखा वो ठीक है, but there was a point of time where he wanted to do it, and if he succeeded in it, maybe he wouldn't have had time to think about it and say कि नहीं यार गलत था, मैंने तो पा लिया उसको, अभी तो मैं happy हूँ type.
So here's the thing, you are very right. He did try to break up Chris and Anna for his own personal gain. इसमें कोई दो बात नहीं है. and he did get caught. But if he had not gotten caught, his character is shown to be so morally right, like his conscience is so strong that he will not be able to live with it. Like when he tried to lie to his parents about his marks, he could not stay with it. So I'm just saying that you did not get an opportunity to see how that played out because Chris and Anna found out. But had they not found out, he would have still confessed up to it because he could not live like that.
No, but he
Then proof
always
of that
needs
later
somebody's
in the film.
push to
That's how
say
they did it.
about it. You know, he needs somebody's push. That is one thing. One biggest thing, if you put Sunil and Rancho in the same group, their dynamics would be such that you know, Sunil is a guy who needs help. He needs somebody to
He's
show
the
him the
follower.
path, somebody who should lead him to the life of betterment. And Rancho is the one who would show it to him. So I would prefer Rancho over Sunil any day because of this character dynamics.
That was well done.
Now I'm going to talk anti-Jay. Okay, this tall, brooding, very good friend of Viru. Friendship-wise, I don't think he can compete with Rancho. He's a good friend, hands down, agree. But again, as I said, Rancho tries to make the other person's life better, always. Here you are actually helping him in doing Gundagardi together. That is not really helping him. You can eventually die in the entire process. You know, so as a friend,
Okay.
you're like partner in crime. You've taken that to some other level here. So as a friend, somebody you should have to take you in the right path is missing in Jay.
So what I would like to say to this is कि फिल्म में कहीं भी establish नहीं किया गया है कि what are the reasons they became criminals in the first place. What were their circumstances? Why are they doing this? So it's not like Jay leading Viru into a life of crime. It's both of them doing this because they don't know anything else. If anything, Jay, by regulating those coin tosses, is actually always pushing them in the right direction कि कुछ तो हम अच्छा कर
No,
लेते
see, we
हैं.
don't
ठाकुर
know
की
to
जान
see
बचा
what
के जेल
happened in
चले
the
जाते
past. We
हैं.
just know that they are helping each other doing some crime. Which is not something we
That is that.
So yeah, like
That is
I'm
fine.
talking
Crime is that
Jay
background.
with respect
Crime
to
is that
Rancho.
background.
Jay is actually helping his friend do a criminal activity as opposed to Rancho who is trying to make him a better person by following his passion.
I would actually say that Jay is an even better friend. Jay died for him.
Okay,
Jay
that is my
बात
next
खत्म हो
point.
जाती है.
See the
Jay
likability,
died
the
for Viru.
lovability,
and for
making him a brilliant, most memorable character also has to do with the fact that he died in the film. You know, there are so many times when a person dies and suddenly you feel like, oh, he's the most iconic character I've ever seen. I don't think if he
Yeah,
stayed
the
alive
impact is
throughout the
more.
film and the film ended on that note, Jay wouldn't be so memorable, so likable. Because he died, you suddenly feel the tug of chord in your heart ki, oh, such a nice character, he died.
Yes, I absolutely agree. That was a cinematic choice they made on purpose कि उसकी death will make it more impactful, and it did.
Yeah, but that doesn't
does
do
not
any
take
justice to
away.
people who are alive and made impact on audience. Because that's the life
No,
they're living.
it's nobody cares. वो तो कहानी की बात है ना. वो तो कहानी की बात है. That has nothing to do with how the character is. That is the director's choice of telling a story. That does not have anything to do with whether Rancho is better or Jay is
No,
better.
that's what I was telling. If he
Right.
hadn't died, you wouldn't have found him so lovable. And my last point
That is a hypothetical question, no man. That is hypothetical. Had he not died.
Okay. And last point is, you cannot forget the fact that he is a thief. वो चोर है, वो लोगों से चोरी करता है. Just imagine in real life, कोई आके तुमसे चोरी करेगा. You have well earned money, and then you go like, oh, he's the most lovable character. What a lovable chore. I want him.
Weak
Doesn't
arguments,
work that
man.
way.
Weak arguments. Very weak arguments.
It is the strongest argument. He's a chore.
No.
Point
The
one.
lead hero being a criminal or an anti-hero is not something that is just Sholay alone. That has been done multiple times in multiple
Yeah,
movies.
again, they're not
And
likable.
actually, that is
Lovable,
not
sorry.
These two could as easily, अगर देखा जाए शोले को, they could as easily have been two ex-cops, two army men. They could have been anything.
But then
The fact that they are criminals who keep struggling to become better.
Oh, you can become
is
better.
actually
You're
a
tall,
huge
you are
bonus
young,
in
you can
chess.
do some hard work, मजदूरी करो, कूली बनो, तुमको चोर क्यों बनना है?
वही बात है ना, वो चीज तो एड्रेस ही नहीं करी हुई. So again, these are assumptions. We cannot debate on
Okay.
assumptions. We can only debate on
Our
what
moderator
we
is asking
actually
us to
know.
shut up now.
Oh,
Absolutely right.
good debate, ladies. Yeah. So I'm first gonna speak anti-Rancho, and I'm gonna prove why Sunil is more lovable than Rancho. Rancho is a great guy. Okay, a great person to have around you if you are his friend. If you are not his friend, he's a very dangerous person. The entire incident of what happens with Chatur and the whole Balatkar speech is actually, it's just funny when you look at it from a viewer's point of view. But if you look at it from Chatur's point of view, it could be traumatizing. Being humiliated in front of so many people is not a very pleasant experience for anybody. And this experience is
Okay.
I'm not done. This experience is shared by Chatur, by Virus, and by the minister. Now I understand that it's played for laughs in the film, but now we're talking about the character, their actions, and the repercussions.
Yeah.
Also, I know why he's doing it, but at what cost?
Character and repercussion
Also,
same. अभी
there is no-
तुम भी.
Also, well, hold on for a second. Just to add to this, and this point
The
is not done.
question cannot be
And
for 1.5
also-
minutes.
Also, the thing is that there is no repentance for his actions, for this whole thing.
Okay, since you said action and reaction,
That's my.
Rancho's action was because he was trying to, make Raju fail. Like, he was really making somebody's life miserable. He was not against Chatur. Chatur could have been his friend too. But Raju was his friend. And of course, what is his name? I forgot also. The guy, जिसको Chatur, sorry.
Chatur.
Yeah.
Raju.
Chatur was making his life miserable. So he decided कि हाँ यार कॉलेज में इतना फन तो होता ही है तो चलो रिवर्स में करते हैं. अभी
Exactly,
उसने
but he did
इतना
not
ये
care
ले
about
लिया
how
तो
Chatur
अभी
felt.
रांचो क्या कर सकता है?
I think the way he behaves, he is almost a bully. It is because Amir Khan is being played by, because Rancho is being played by Amir Khan, who is kind of small and impish. You accept it. But if you're not part of his clique, like Chatur wasn't, like the principal wasn't, he would seem like a bully to you. Either you go by his way, or he will take your case.
He'll not take your case. He'll make his own way
So that
and
is-
he'll
that
go.
is
That's what I
addition.
said.
That is
He will
addition.
make his own path. You don't come in my path, I'll make my own path and I'll go.
Finally, I think Rancho's character is very aspirational.
Yeah.
You want somebody like that in your, you want to be Rancho actually, you want to be able to follow your path, but he does not evoke the same kind of feeling inside an audience or a viewer that Sunil does. You don't feel the need to love Rancho like you feel for Sunil.
So that is what you feel.
You feel admiration.
No, he
Not
is a
love.
lovable character. He is making your life a better place to
He
live.
is.
So I would want to be with him and not with Sunil because Sunil is actually trying to, manipulate you to leave your boyfriend or something like that.
So what is Rancho doing with the entire Sharman Joshi thing? Sharman Joshi wants to move in with Silencer, but isn't he trying to
But
manipulate him to
Silencer
get
is
back
not
into his own
making
life?
move in with Silencer.
Yeah, he does move in
Chatur
with-
को Silencer
Again, he did not have problem, but then he realized how much it is affecting Raju. That's why he did not have a problem when he moved. But then he's like, अरे मेरा दोस्त इतना क्यों उसके साथ परेशान हो रहा है? चलो, let's try to ease him out of it.
Okay, and I'm going to end this with a comparison that in a Mahabharat context, Rancho is like Krishna, and Sunil is like Karan. Now you decide who gets more feeling
Is more
of love and sympathy
lovable.
from the audience.
So that is what you think.
Okay,
Again,
with
I
that I
gave
end
one
my
dynamic.
anti-Rancho.
So you decide who is more lovable.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
मतलब you audience आप बताओ.
Done. कि आप मुझको support कर रहे हो.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna talk anti-Jay. Again, Jay is a fantabulous character, very interesting to see. And he is what most people would call a man's man. That's the kind of character he is. My first point against Jay is that Jay is an outlaw, he is a criminal. I don't know why he's become that. You've already mentioned that when you were talking to Anu. But the point is that he is of an age where he knows what is right and wrong. So, and he's choosing to do what is wrong. As a criminal, there are many lives which he has affected without any repentance. And these people would probably not be in love with Jay because he's scanned them. He's probably killed people. He's robbed people. He's cheated people. So within the Sholay universe also, there are many people who don't really love Jay. That's my first point against Jay. And just to give you one more comparison, that when Thakur decides to recruit Jay and Veeru for capturing Gabbar, he himself says, Loha hi lohe ko kaatta hai. Which means even Thakur, the moral compass of the film, is saying that Jay and Veeru are actually not that different from Gabbar. That's my first point. So if you would like to...
Yeah, absolutely. So the fact that these two are criminals, मैंने पहले भी mention किया था कि फिल्म में address नहीं किया है कि क्यों वो criminals हैं, and honestly that has no bearing on the story. I agree कि they would have probably affected a lot of lives. They would have, but यही तो उनकी सबसे बड़ी strength है कि these are criminals who go from being petty criminals. There's a story arc. They go from being petty criminals to the saviors of the village. Right, there is room for growth, and there was already something good in them. Thakur, you said Thakur ने कहा लोहा लोहे को काटता है. Thakur was talking in terms of bravery, not in terms of criminality, because उससे just पहले वो ये भी कहता है कि वो गुंडे हैं, लेकिन वो बहादुर हैं, वो खतरनाक है क्योंकि वो लड़ना जानते हैं. So he also saw something good in him, someone exactly like Gabbar would not be willing to kill Gabbar. For Thakur, just for the heck of it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, I agree with you that he does mention those things. Let me take you back to the first conversation where he asks Jay why he became a criminal. And Jay became a criminal क्योंकि उसको खतरों से खेलने का शौक है. Like he literally mentions that. Like they have now you don't know in what context he is saying.
Yes.
He kind of prides himself कि he plays with danger and he could be doing it for any reason. Also he goes to the village to save the village for money.
Absolutely.
He is not going there out of love. So it is financially driven.
तो ये तो मैं कभी कह ही नहीं रही हूँ कि they were not criminals, they were not mercenaries. Yes, they were. That is what gives them that whole scope of improvement. That is what gives them a character arc. That is where the struggle between good and evil comes from. That is the crux of the story. So all these things that you are saying are true, but they do not take away from the lovability of Jay. Also, Jay says that क्या कहते हैं मुझे खतरों से खेलने का शौक है. उससे पहले ठाकुर ने क्या बोला था? He did not become police for समाज सेवा क्योंकि or for money because वो तो उनके खेतों से आ जाता है. He is rich as fuck. वो क्यों बने हैं पुलिस वाले? क्योंकि उनको भी खतरों से खेलने का शौक. नहीं, he says that no. Right, bahaduri is the core thing there. So the context there is of bahaduri. And somebody who can, मतलब दो लोग मिलके अगर 20 गुंडों को ले सकते हैं, थोड़ा pride वहाँ पे बनता है. Be it a police, be it a गुंडा मवाली, right?
Okay.
So I agree with you, and I think it's invalid. So yeah.
And finally, the last one is the coin toss. So Jay always knows what's going to happen with him and Veeru because he is always the one deciding.
Yes.
So anything that they have done wrong ever actually falls totally on Jay. And lastly, within the Sholay universe, I personally feel that Jay is not the most lovable character. He is great, but I think Veeru is the most lovable character within the Sholay universe. So outside the Sholay universe, anyway, there are many more lovable characters.
Okay. Jay was the intelligent one. He was controlling the story arc because of the coin toss. So you're right. But how do we know? That's the thing. No, how do we know कि उन्होंने कितने बुरे decision लिए? You are saying कि जितने भी उन्होंने बुरे decision लिए हैं, that rests on Jay. But maybe उन्होंने ज़्यादातर अच्छे decisions ही लिए हैं because of Jay. If you're making, that's okay. Those are criminals जो जेल जाना choose करते हैं पुलिस वाले को मरने देने के बदले. वो तो शुरुआत में establish कर दिया ना. So how can we say कि उन्होंने ज़्यादातर बुरा किया है Jay की वजह से? Maybe उन्होंने ज़्यादातर अच्छा किया है Jay की वजह से.
That is an assumption. Let's move.
Yeah.
But now we have to stop it.
Yeah, I counted an assumption with assumption.
Yeah.
He made an assumption. I countered that with an assumption.
Yeah, it is an assumption.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here are my arguments against Rancho. Right? तो actually वो सारे के सारे तुमने मार लिए अक्षय ने. But but I will add to it. So I actually really adore Rancho. And I also pointed out some similarities between Rancho and Jay, which I think they are great friends and they are both they keep things to themselves, right? But there is no denying that Rancho was a bully to quite an extent. He bullied, मतलब first scene में seniors की ragging से बचने के लिए उसने वो device बनाया और बाद में he's doing such things to चतुर. और चतुर की गलती क्या थी कि वो cram करता था. यार तुम इतना समाज सुधार में interested हो तो चतुर को भी सुधार लेते. Right? Instead of he says to क्या कहता है he says to Virus in a scene कि क्या कहते हैं हम किसी की कमियां दूसरों को क्यों बताएं, राइट? बट वो मार्कशीट नहीं दिखाना चाहिए बिकॉज हम कमियां क्यों बताएं लोगों की. बट व्हाट इज ही डूइंग विद करीना कपूर्स फियांसे, राइट? बार बार उसकी कमियां ही तो निकालता है वो. श्योर ही इज नॉट अ ग्रेट गाय, ही इज नॉट ग्रेट फॉर करीना, बट कुड दैट नॉट हैव बीन डन विदाउट ह्यूमिलिएटिंग हिम? एंड आई रिमेंबर हिज वन लाइन कि इंजीनियरिंग के बाद MBA किया डफर है वो, क्योंकि लोगों को गलतियां करके उसको सुधारने का हक नहीं है. Like people can't make a mistake and then go and do something better. So I adore Rancho, but he's done. There are some flaws within him which have been glorified in the movie, and we kind of go with it because college का बच्चा है, ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, but those are flaws. And Akshay was right. Chatur would have been traumatized by that situation, and Chatur ka reaction, even when I watched the movie, was very valid too. So yeah, that's
Not a bully. He's not trying to see. He never. See, the initiation of the entire fight was not by Rancho, it was by Chatur. Chatur always saw him as, somebody who might steal his thunder in front of Boman Irani's eyes. So he was always against it. He did not start. Amir Khan did not go and start कि नहीं ये मेरा है मैं इसको tease करूँगा. It was all action reaction. But he did that. He did that. So he did that and he.
But
did
does
that.
stealing your thunder equal public humiliation like that? Are they two same things? They're not.
No, they're not. It's action reaction. That's
Somebody
what I'm
tries
trying
to
to tell
steal
you.
your thunder,
You do
you
something,
humiliate
they
them
do
on
something.
national stage,
Sometimes they might go overboard, but he did not start it. That is my point. Ki you do something, you were never friendly, you were not friends with him, you're not friends with his friends also. So he had to do
But
something
he
to save
clearly
his
went
friends.
overboard. Right. But he clearly went overboard, which is what I'm saying. Clearly went overboard. Right. Rancho went way overboard.
Okay, it was a reaction to his action, but yeah.
So actually that is my main point against Rancho. When we are talking about the most lovable Bollywood heroes, right? The top 3. राइट, तो दैट इज अ रियली बिग फ्लॉ टू हैव कि तुम अपने दोस्तों के लिए तो अच्छे हो, पर जो तुम्हारी बात नहीं मानते और जिनको तुम्हें लगता है कि इनमें किसी तरह की कमी है, यू आर पुलिंग देम डाउन इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू हेल्प देम एज वेल. You know, he's great with joy, he's great with life.
It's just the opposite party is not willing to do that. That's why all this is starting.
No. Both Karina's fiance and both Chatur, they had not done anything so bad or even bad to
He
this
did
guy
not do
that they
anything
deserved
with
such
Karina's fiance basically. It was just
no, अरे
scene.
पूरे
He did not
पूरी
ruin his
film
career.
को उसका मजाक उड़ाता रह
Career
गया.
मतलब he-
Negative things does not really equal just public humiliation only.
But he was not at all
जितना वो
negative
करता
with
था उसकी girlfriend के आगे वही
Karina's
काफी था.
fiance. He was actually trying to control her in front of the entire crowd. So he had to butt in and say something ki, this is not right, boss. This is not how it is meant to happen. So with Karina's
Yes,
fiance, no.
stick to that. Agreed. So stick to his misbehavior. That's not the way how you treat a girl. But going beyond that into his personal things and all, not great so far as I think. And that's how I wrap up my argument on Rancho, that he needed to grow up, which I hopefully think he did. Okay. So my arguments against Sunil would be very short. I think Sunil is a very likable guy next door. Right, and I think the film was in the genre. It's a romantic comedy film, right? You watch it, you feel happy, you feel good, great story, great character, but it does not stay with you. Kabhi haan, kabhi na does not stay with you, and neither does the character of Sunil stay with you. They're not memorable characters that create impact. Again, जब हमारे इसका डिबेट का टॉपिक है the most lovable heroes, right? तो सुनील Rancho और जय के सामने, दोनों के सामने actually काफी फीका पड़ जाता है, right? And that has nothing to do with the character itself. Right? It's a fine character. He's flawed. He grows up. He's lovable. But it's just not a memorable character. You're not going to take him with you.
I'd like to butt in.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so here's the thing. Our title was most lovable character. मतलब this character को देख के maximum प्यार आता है. Our title was not most iconic character. So if you tell me that Sunil is not most iconic, I will totally give it to you. But most people have not seen the film. It's not a cult film. It's not Sholay. It's not Three Idiots. You are right. You are absolutely right. But Sunil as a character, I feel is way more lovable, and I can understand when you tell me that he does not stay back with you, because that is a person to person thing, but because Sholay as a film became so iconic that every character, even Samba, stayed with you. Okay, so that is beauty not only of Jay's performance or Jay's character, but that is the beauty of the writing of Salim Javed and Ramesh Sippy and the film on its own.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So that became cult. So I don't think this comparison is very fair, but that's my response to that point.
Actually, the thing is, I agree with you also, just the way you agreed with me. But the thing about, see, Sunil is a lovable character. He is a lovable guy. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. But a lovable guy versus the lovable guy, you know, the hero, that I don't think he is, right?
Okay, I have a response to that.
Yeah. Then.
At the end of Sholay, I mean, of course, Jay dies and it's really sad. Okay, but are there people in the Sholay universe who do not like Jay?
Those characters we've not met.
Yes.
So for the purpose of this discussion,
why you met Surma Bhopali? Do you think Surma Bhopali likes Jay?
Surma Bhopali made 1,000 rupees through Jay, so I would assume that he likes Jay.
Do you think Asrani likes Jay?
Asrani probably does not.
I'm asking you a very simple question. It's a yes or no question. Because in my universe, in Sunil's universe, by the end of the movie, everybody loves Sunil. There's nobody who doesn't love him.
So that is the universe of Sunil. That is the universe of Sunil. Right, that is not this world.
That's my argument. You are
that is not this world.
Guy, you are saying a lovable guy versus the lovable guy. I'm just telling you that this guy has made everybody fall in love with him. He has won over everybody who was against him, which I feel Jay did not do. Because we are having this argument.
Because that was no. So I would like to comment on that. You're right. Everybody in Sunil's universe loves Sunil. But does everybody in our universe? By the end of the film. But does everybody in our universe love Sunil? I think more people. I think way more people in our universe love Jay.
Even it's an iconography. It's an iconography thing. Jay is iconic.
But he became iconic because of who he was. Like ऐसा पहले से pre-ordained नहीं था कि Jay iconic बन जाएगा. You know, लिख के सितारों में लिखा हुआ नहीं था. You know what I mean? Rancho became an icon or Jay became an icon because of how these heroes were created, portrayed. When you're talking about the most lovable hero, I agree that does not necessarily have to be iconic. But when you're saying about the most lovable, then it has to be a little iconic. Then it has to be the one that stayed. Yeah.
Then we would have just called it the most iconic.
See, I will tell you who for Shah Rukh Khan would be the most lovable. It will be Rahul of DDLJ.
It's very
that
simple.
Would be the most lovable.
That is a very simple choice, but I don't really think Rahul from DDLJ is the most lovable Shah Rukh Khan character.
Like I said, and I always say this is our best video. So we have 3 really good characters. So again, my reason for why Sunil is not the most lovable Bollywood hero is because he just does not stay with you the same way that Jay stays with you for years and years to be loved and remembered fondly.
Okay.
That's it.
I genuinely like all the 3 characters. It is actually very tough. Jay, Sunil.
Sorry.
I love both. I would love to have both in my life. But argument-wise, and also there is there is that partiality thing that I always like Shah Rukh Khan all my life. So I am going to give it to Sunil because of Akshay's argument. He was very passionate about his Sunil, and it is Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
One teeny brownie points for that.
Very difficult for me too. I genuinely feel that Rancho is more lovable than Jay. And I maintain that Viru is more lovable than Jay too. Now, I'm having a tough time because both of your arguments were very good. Your points and all were very good. It is all coming down to opening statements, introduction statements. I think तुम दोनों के arguments anti each other points were pretty much on par. I think Anusha's opening statement was stronger than yours. And only because of that, this point goes to Anusha.
So personally, I do prefer Rancho. I think Rancho is a more lovable character than Sunil is. I like Sunil, but I love Rancho. Okay, so I thought both of yours arguments when you were saying the best film, why our film, were very good. But I think Akshay defended better than Anusha. Like in the round when we go against each other, right, when we are throwing points at each other, he defended against both of us better than you defended against both of us. Right? So that's why I'll give it to Akshay. I'll give the argument to Akshay, even though the character that I prefer is Rancho. Yeah. although I believe that Jay is just the most lovable of all three.
That is everybody's belief. Even I believe Rancho is, but हाँ ठीक है.
So that's the debate for the day, and we are really looking forward to your comments. And we want to know whose team you support. I know you support Team Akshay, so please. okay. इनको भी वोट दे दो यार.
Meherbani, shut up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do let us know which team you support. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting debates.
Yes, and
Share.
And there's also that thing that click on the bell for notifications.
And guys, do suggest us some topics. We would love to do it.
Yeah.
You know, it would be very interesting. Thank you.
Yes. And our
So
next
we'll see you
video
next
is
week.
going to be a special. So watch out for
Yeah.
that.
It's going to be a special video.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It'll be
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye.
My
You
other
cannot
choice
really
was
choose Jay.
Munna Bhai, MBBS. And very unconventionally, it was also Vanraj from Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Nice character. Nice.
Actually, mine was also, I did think about Munna Bhai MBBS, but the thing was that it was in a similar vein and genre. Then it was like when we say lovable, we were just like rom-coms wale heroes, right? And I did not want to
Very
go that way.
brave choice, huh? By the way, Amrita, very brave choice actually.
But
Genuinely very brave choice.
Yeah, uske baad though, when I was not thinking about Munna Bhai, my first choice was Jay. Sure. Yeah.
So I was also thinking of Munna Bhai, and my
Yeah.
biggest argument for Munna Bhai was, भाई वो इतना अच्छा कैरेक्टर है कि सीक्वल बना दी.
That is true.
But
और
I
उसकी
mean,
तीसरी
But
वाली
the other
main
character was Munna, right?
yeah.
Circuit.
Eventually, but then I decided not to go for Munna Bhai. I was thinking of going for Munna. That is Munna from Rangila. Amir Khan.
Oh, yeah, that would be good too. Munna
It
from
was very
Rangila.
tight for me. I'm just way more passionate about Sunil. That's the only thing. But Munna from
Yeah, I
Rangila
think
was
Munna
like a
from
thing.
Rangila would have been harder to defend against. Munna from Rangila would have been harder to defend because Rangila Munna is iconic, unlike Sunil.
He's an iconic character.
He's an
also. You are
iconic
right. He's an iconic character.
Yeah.
But still you won.
So it would have been harder to defend.